Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient color to text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add gradient color to text. Now going to the going to the text box and then create a text box. Now type from text. Now select from text, then text from the platform big size. Then click for a bold option. Now select from text. Now going to the font setting option, then click from a fill effect option, then click for guarantee fill option. Now first select from, now click for color option, then click for choose color. Now click for OK. Now then click for OK. That is. Now you can see when you show add gradient color to all text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.